Today, on 150th birth anniversary of Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, we in Bhadrachalam, along with various departments, our Honorable MLA Sir, our Judicial Magistrate Shiva Naik, our CRPF officers, CRPF 2 IC Madam Preeta, and other officers of CRPF, today we gathered here along with other departments, schools, children, college children, and various Jawans of CRPF to celebrate the Unity Run for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel 150th birth anniversary. On this auspicious day, 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, we celebrate the hard work done by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for the unity and integrity of the nation. As told by our beloved MLA sir, that there was a total of more than 500 princely states when India got independence, and this is because of the hard work of this great man that today each part of these princely states is part of India, and we take pride in saying that we are a country with unity and diversity. So when we say that this is a run for unity, we do not mean that we take pride in our uniformity, we take pride in our diversity. Like I said before, I belong to North India. There are many Jawans coming from all parts of India, be it from the northeast part, northern India, Kashmir, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, and together they work for the betterment of the nation, for the betterment of the country. For Bhadrachalam, I am very lucky to have a great team. I have a great team in terms of my CI, local police station, in terms of my traffic police station, in terms of judicial department, in terms of fire, electricity, revenue, be it any department, be it CRPF, we have a very great team. And this is very much visible in the result which we are evident on the field. Bhadrachalam, as we see today, has one of the best law and order situation as of now in the district, I can say this. Other than this, there is a situation of ganja, and there is a complaint regarding drugs, because Bhadrachalam being a transit place, all the way shares a boundary between Chhattisgarh and Odisha. So it has always been a transit corridor for consignment from Odisha all the way to Hyderabad and big cities. But because of the department which I mentioned, because of the hard work of these departments, today we are one of the Bhadrachalam has the highest consignment which have been caught in terms of ganja. And I take pride in saying this, as part of Operation Chaitanya program started by our beloved SP sir, it's a month-long war against drugs, where we are doing coordinate search operations, checking, bus stand checking, awareness in schools and colleges. We take pride that this is a unique campaign against war on drugs, which will go on for a month, and it will soon going to yield very much results.